everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and welcome to another episode of Driving with John Chow. In yesterday's video, I talked about the number one tip I can give you to make money online and live the .com lifestyle. And that generated quite a few questions that I wish to answer in this video because they're actually quite common questions as well. The first one was, I mentioned the fact that the first 8 months of my blog's life when I first started, it made zero, and yeah, it made nothing. So that question was, if I didn't make any money for like 8 months, how did I live? That was the question. So the answer is actually quite simple. The blog was started in December 2005. Right, so that's over 12 years ago. Wow, that's a long time. Anyway, as long as that is, I was a full-time internet marketer since 2000. So how did I live? Well, I live on my internet marketing income. I had other income sources, see, multiple streams of income. So I had other income sources before I started my blog. Right, so and the other thing you got to consider too is the great thing about an internet business. The great thing about internet business is that you don't need to do this full time. See, my blog takes only 1 to 2 blog posts a day. They only take like an hour or two to actually write up. Right, so they don't. And to these days, I don't actually write the blog posts. I mean, I do some of the blog posts, but if you look at my blog now, you see the Michael Kwan, you see other writers are writing the blog posts for the blog. So my involvement is actually today is like maybe 2 hours a week, if anything that. Right? So, but I started a part-time, and the great thing about internet marketing, you can do this part-time. You don't have to quit your job. You don't have to stop your other business to do this. Right? So even if I didn't have other income sources, I wasn't internet marketer before the blog, I would have still be able to do my job or anything else in addition to blog. So this is additional, like adding a secondary income. And we all know the importance of adding more than one income source. Right? So, and also, if you look at the subject of my blog, I teach you how to make money online. Well, if the subject of blog is to teach you how to make money online, then I should make money online, right? So, and I did. I did full-time internet marketer since the year 2000. So, prior to starting my blog, I was already making money online for the past 6 years, right? So you should always blog about something you know about. I see all these bloggers all the time. I get this kind of email that says, "Hey, I started a blog on how to make money online. Can you show me how to make money from it?" Yeah, I see this all the time. People, they start blogs on subjects that they don't know nothing about, but they do it because they think that's the hot topic, or that's the topic that will make money. Blog about something you're passionate about, and instead of something that you think is just gonna make money. Because if you're not passionate about it, you're not experienced about it, they're gonna know. People are gonna know. Simple as that. But yeah, so. Yeah, that answers that question. So I did have other income sources before I started the blog, and that's why I was able to, tough it out for 8 months with zero income before the blog started making money. The second question was 5 years. First 5 years of the blog, I averaged 2.2 blog posts a day, every single day for 5 straight years. And so the question was, how did I came up with that much stuff to blog about? That sounds like it sounds mind-boggling that I can constantly pump out that kind of content. And on the surface, it seems kind of true. But oh my God, like, can I actually have that much to talk about? And the answer is, my trouble isn't finding new content. My trouble is trying to we keep the content at 2 blog posts a day. That's the trouble. Because honestly, if whatever niche you're in, if you can't find if there's something not new happening every single day, your niche is either way too narrow, or you're in an industry that is super boring. I mean, I look through my RSS readers. Like I read a lot of tech blogs. You look at a blog like Engadget. They post an average of maybe 50 articles a day because tech is always happening. And if you look at my industry of internet marketing, affiliate marketing, video marketing, YouTube marketing, all that kind of stuff. If you cannot find 2 blog posts or 2 posts a day to write about on all that stuff, something is really wrong. Actually, something is really wrong. You're just not looking. You're just not looking. And so finding topic is really not a problem. Not a problem. It's then how do I find my topic? I find my topic in multiple ways. My RSS readers will have all these other sites that's in my niche. I look at what they're writing every day, and I can see how can I spin this differently. Like how can I give my take on the story, and I will come a whole bunch of content based on that. But my biggest source is questions from you guys. You guys ask me a question, great source of content, because a lot of questions are the same. So instead of answering them by replying to an email, I do it like a video like this. That's one way to do it. Right? So yeah, content is not the problem. Trying to maintain or trying to keep myself from doing more so I don't overwhelm my readers. That's really the problem. Right? And the final question that just came in actually this morning when I was checking the comments was that it was specifically about ClickFunnels, and because I do ClickFunnels, one of the things I recommend, one of the tools I use, one of my foundation tools. And the question was, does ClickFunnels allow all types of content to be put onto it? Like, could it disallow certain content? And the answer is, well, why I can't give you a definitive answer. I recommend you just go right for questions like this kind of stuff. You should just go right to the sources. Go to ClickFunnels and read the terms of service. But I believe ClickFunnels, like any other company, they will allow pretty much all content except for illegal content. You know, like you can't sell drugs on it. You can't trade human trafficking. You can't offer, to kill people. That kind of stuff. But mostly anything else that's technically illegal, you shouldn't have any problem with it. So, but again, the best way to find out, go to ClickFunnels and look at the terms of service. They'll tell you. But I would imagine it's no different than, say, WordPress, Google, or any other major networking services. Right? All right, so yeah, that should be enough. I think there was a few more questions, but I'll get to them maybe in future videos. But in the meantime, if you have a Make Money Online question, feel free to enter it down below in the comments. And if they're a common question, what I've received them more than once, there's a very likely chance that in the future I will answer it in a video. All right, so and if I do, I normally give credit, but I'm sorry this time I just read it real quick. I didn't get the person's name, but you know who you are, all right? So thank you for the question. Look forward to more questions for you guys in the future. John Chow from JohnChow.com. Thank you very much for listening. Please give me a thumbs up if you like that video. Please like and share my video. And if you're brand new, please subscribe to my channel because it really helps me a lot. All right, see you guys next time.